Friends, in today's video, we will talk about the best plugins of the Figma. You should have the first plugin called is Figma 2 website, right? You can see that I made some website layout. One is the home, second is about, and both have a different version. One is darker and one is lighter as well, right? So all you have to do that so you need to make a website based on their requirement. You can go over here and you can see they have their all requirements, that what exactly they want once you will be working on the Figma design. So once you will finish your Figma design, then you can simply upload it in their server, and with one click all design convert into HTML. Let me show you. I'll come here and I will go to Figma to website plugin, and we have option of preview as well if you want to see the preview, but I'm not clicking it because it's very heavy file. So if I will click it, it can be freeze. So you can see that slash home slash about slash, it means that if for example your domain is abc.com, then after the slash you need to write about. And if you will make a link in your website, then you don't need to do this. You can simply go to your website and click and get the result. Anyways, I'm going to publish it. It will take some time. Done. So if I will click here, it will go to the URL, right? This is a default size, which you can see here. This is the default size. I mean, the first page, which shouldn't have any name after the slash, right? So it is showing the same thing, right? And you can see this is totally responsive for better experience. I'm coming here and let me go here, Control C, copy, and in Firefox I'm going to paste this one, right? In Firefox we have option to check and different breakpoints. So I'm coming here and Control Shift M, right? You can see this is a total responsive website, right? This is total responsive. And similarly, if I will go to another page, like we have here called darker home. So I'm going to copy this one, this text, and I'm coming here. And in the end of the URL, I'm going to make it paste, right? Maybe I did it double slash, right? Single. Here go. So I'm coming here and making it default size. You can see that this is a darker version and all. So, and if I will go to resize, let's say if I'm coming here and say, okay, I want this and responsive, let's say Galaxy Android, you can see this is pure responsive. So you need to follow their requirement, then you will be able to make any design and convert into responsive HTML. This is pure HTML side, right? So let me go to here and like this is pure HTML site. Let me go here. You can see this is selectable. Okay, so this is the plugin number one. The second plugin is very important. You need to have this plugin. For example, if you are working in different, structure, you have lots of pages, and it's very hard to represent your stakeholder or the boss in our work. You are working, and it's very hard to back and forth. So the best plugin is for this is called Bookmarkly, right? If I come here, you can see this is Bookmarkly. If I will click this guy, it will give me the option. I will go and say open plugin. You can see right now this is empty because I did not make any bookmarks. So I'll come here. For example, this is a presentation. If you want to, you are thinking that after working this out, or even if you're sick, if you will put it add, it will give you a bookmark and you can rename it if you want to. For example, sometime it takes like, yeah, like this. For example, you are saying option number one, for example, option number one, right? For your set, I mean, you are working and you are feeling confused in that, okay, I made something, where is it? So it's very hard to find. So for example, I'm coming here in patience, and let's say this is a file you want to remember. You come here and give add. So you can whether keep the same which it recommended, or you can rename with your own if you want to. Sometime it takes time. Wait. Okay. And but it will give you three dots. Yeah, here, and you can add it and you can say option number T for 2, for example, and you can save it. Now you are while you are working, you need to go in different elements. So the best thing for this is, for example, you are here, and suddenly you thinking that I should go to option number 1. So let it come, and you will simply click this guy, and it will go to option number 1 and option number 2 and so on. And if you are representing to your boss or the stakeholder, you can convert this UI interface into a presentation mode. So you will simply click here, and you can show to your boss or your stakeholder that, okay, I made this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I think this plugin is very, very best. You should have this plugin as well. The third plugin is called image colors, right? For example, if I go here, you can see that this is a image. And if you want to use the same theme, your boss or stakeholder is saying that, okay, I want the color the same. The plus point of this plugin is it will extract the color and give you in your canvas, right? So I will come here and I will say, okay, I want image palette. The plugin name is image palette. So I'll come here and I will say, okay, I want a plugin called image palette, right? Maybe I'm doing wrong. Image palette. Yeah, there you go. If you click this one and make sure that you are selecting the image, it will quickly extract the colors which uses in this specific image. So it will be very easy for you to use this as a reference point or whatever your boss or stakeholder is saying, right? The fourth plugin is very beautiful. I mean, beautiful in the sense of it saves your time. It is kind of transparency. You should know that how many component or instances are using in your Figma file specific element. For example, if I'm clicking here and in plugin and say layer counter, right? So in this way, it will show you that how many components have been used in your specific element. For example, I can see, okay, 632 use frame, 471 frames have been used in this all component, right? Text are 387 and so on. So you can, it is easy for you to judge and do the any action you want based on the calculation, right? This plugin is very good. And the fifth plugin, which is very famous, and I'm sure that you know this one, which is a beautiful shadow. For example, if I come here, for example, this guy, and I'm going to make it duplicate. So I'll come here and I can say, okay, I need a beautiful shadow of this specific element for this element. So once I will click it, it will by default gives you um, shadow, right? Which you can play around it. I mean, you can come here and do whatever you want. We have this option as well. If you want to calculate from here, you can do it. And you once you will apply, it will apply here. So these are the 5 plugins. Okay, so let's recap. The first plugin is Figma to website, right? And the second is Bookmarkly. The third is layer counter. Maybe my ordering is not perfect, but anyways, layer counting and image palette, right? And beautiful shadows. So you should have these plugins. It's my recommendation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye and take care.